So in this short video, we're going to look at compound interest. So I'm investing £500 and I'm getting a return of 6% compound interest each year. What will my money be worth in 3 years? So the thing to realise here is 6% of £500 in the first year is not the same as 6% of that amount in the second year. And this should become clear as we go through the example. So if I want to find out what my money's worth after 1 year, then I have to multiply by the decimal equivalent of 106%. Okay, so I want 106% of 500. I want 100 because that's what I have to start with, and I want to add on 6%. So 106% as a decimal is 1.06. So 500 times 1.06 will be the amount my money is worth after 1 year. So we'll quickly get the calculator and tap that through. Bring that onto the screen. So 500 times 1.06. And so we can see it's £530. So this little square here is the extra £30, the 6%. Now, for the second year, I'm doing 6% again on top of what I had at the end of the first year. And my money was worth £530, so I'm going to get 6% on top of that. And that's going to be more than £30. So I'll have a look at what that gives us. 530 times 1.06 equals. So now I have taken the 530 and times it 1.6, and it's equal to £561.80. So this amount here in the second year, the 6%, is £561.80. Subtract the 530, so I've actually made £31.80. So some people seem to think that, you know, if 6% is 30, then we just do 3 30s and say that we'll get £590 back after 3 years, but that wouldn't be compound interest. That would just be 30% of the first year amount 3 times. So if we go again, if we take the 561.80 and times that by 1.06, we'll find out what our money is worth after 3 years. 561.8 times 1.06. And so we end up with £595.51. Now we have actually gone about this in a way that hopefully helps you understand, but is longer than we need to. So I'll show you exactly what we've done. We've done 500 times 1.06. Okay, that was the first bit. Then we did it by 1.6 again. Okay, and then again. So we could have shortened this right down to 500 times 1.06 to the power 3. So if you look, there's 3 numbers we take into account. The amount we start with, 500. The interest that we're adding on, 6%, but if we're adding it on to 106% as a decimal equivalent is 1.06. And then we raise it to a power, and that power is the same number of the years that the money's been invested for. So if I show you on a calculator, we can do that in one go. It's much, much quicker. So if we clear that, and we go 500 times 1.06, go to the second function, raise it to the power 3, and equals, and you'll see we've got exactly the same answer of 508, which rounds down to 51. Put the pound sign on there. So, another quick example. Suppose we were investing £1,000 for 7 years at 3.5% return. What we then need to do is take 1,000. Probably the tricky bit is transferring this into a decimal equivalent. Well, remember it's going to be 103.5% because you're adding it on to what you've already got. The decimal place moves 2 points, so it's 1.035. And the 7 years means we take it to the power 7. So get the calculator out, I'll show you how to do that once again. So we've got 1,000 times, where's my times 1.035 to the power 7. And we'll see it's made us quite a bit of money. We've made £272, 28 pence profit. 1272.28 is the amount it will be worth 7 years after we invested at a compound interest rate of 3.5%. We can also do depreciation in the compound way. So I'll show you how to do that. So if I buy a car for £10,000, it depreciates by 15% a year. What will it be worth in 5 years? So take my amount, 10,000. Now if something goes down by 15% in a year, so you take 100 and you take off 15%, it's going to be worth 85% of what it was previously. So after 1 year, it would have gone down by 15%, so it would be worth 0.85 of what it was worth before. In 5 years' time, in exactly the same way as you saw previously, we have to raise it to the power 5, so that we take off 15% of the amount it's worth at the end of each year. And we'll just quickly do that on the calculator. So we've got 10,000 times 0.85 to the power 5. And it drops in value to under half of what it was worth to start with. So you can see the impact of 15% over 5 years is quite high. It reduces the amount to less than half of what it was worth. So £4,437.05 is what it's been worth. So that is compound interest, depreciation, and investment interest at the same time. So hopefully the two examples help you understand compound